kids, we have some blind boxes. Let's see what's inside. First, I'm going to pick this green one. You see, it's green and there's a C on it. Let's open it. Oh, look here, kids. We have a green Play-Doh. It's a green Play-Doh. Look, kids. It's so gooey. It's a green Play-Doh. Now we have a yellow one. Kids, it's yellow and it has 8. Yellow, 8. Let's open it together. Oh, look, kids. What do we have here? We have 2 yellow balloons. 1, 2. It's a yellow balloon. Kids, can you guess this color? It's orange. And there's a Z. Z is for zoo. Can you hear this? Let's open it together. Oh, look, kids. We found something. What do we have? We have a circle. We have B. And we have R. Great, kids! We found a shape and some letters. Which color should I pick next? I'm gonna go with blue. Kids, it's so heavy. It's a blue box and there's a V. V is for when. Look, kids. Here we have a square. Blue square. And here we have a N. It's a V. We found some shape and some letters again. Kids, again, we have an orange one. It's a E. E is for eagle. Oh, wow! Look, kids, we have Play-Dohs. And there are 2. 1, 2. We have 2 orange Play-Dohs. Can you see the difference? Here we have a light orange and here we have a dark orange. It's an orange Play-Doh. Which color should I pick next? I want to go with this pink one. Kids, it's the only pink box we have and there's a 2. Oh, wait! What do we have? It looks like a biscuit. Kids, it's a pink biscuit. Do you want to have some? You can eat the pink biscuit. Look here, kids. It's another green box and there's an H. H is for horse. Wow, it looks so full. Look here, kids. What do we have? We have a T. Then we have an H. And then we have a D. Kids, we found some letters again. Now this one is the last one. Look, kids. It's a blue box. And there's an I. I is for ink. Oh, look, kids! We have 2 balloons. These are balloons. 2 balloons. Let's blow them together. It's a blue balloon. Look here, kids. We found so many things from our mystery boxes. See you next time.